What's good, Charge Go family? We out in the beautiful Hollywood Hills with it. We got the beautiful Model S Plaid. Not entirely washed, I'm not gonna lie to you, but we got some big things to discuss today. We want to give you a nice little review of the build quality. In other words, Charge Go is going to be shitting on this car when, in my opinion, I don't think there's any build quality issues with it. I think it's a flawless car made by a flawless man, and we going to Mars. Charge Go, are we gonna freestyle this, or do you want to pre-plan what areas you're gonna see? I say you just freestyle it and just show the people what's happening off the dome.
You right.
Yep.
Off the dome. What's up with this, man? I feel like the hood isn't really aligned now. Now, guys, hear me out. Look over here.
Boom.
That's how I can get that kind of finger filming in there, right?
Yeah.
Just come over to the other side.
A lot of finger.
This side, I can't even really get my finger in there. It's tight. And mind you,
it's for aerodynamicism. Look it up.
the tighter the better. You don't like it loose. Tight. Right? But you can also see some like weather stripping here and stuff that's sticking out versus the other side. Now, symmetry is pretty important, you know what I mean? Why doesn't the other side have that? Why is it only on this side? It's kind of strange. Then you come over here. You got this little plastic thing. What is that? What is that?
I think that's another aerodynamicism thing.
Then come over here. You see a weather stripping over here? Now, mind you, look at
So
this
that door open. You
nice.
saw that?
Yeah, kind of but what is that? What is that, man? What is that? Is that for aero too?
Yeah, I think it actually helps.
Man, come over to the
Look it
trunk. Come over to the trunk. Come over to the trunk. We'll be real quick with it. We'll be real quick. See this? This fitment? I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. I cannot get my finger in there. I got a nice finger, right? Kind of dirty.
Juicy finger.
I've been doing a lot with that finger, but
okay.
over here, man. It's much wider, bro. Trust me. Like I can almost get my finger in there, and you can even feel it in the headlight too, or taillight. Sorry. You can like. That's a big gap, man. It shouldn't be happening, bro. Come on.
See, you're just used to regular cars that you've seen, so you just assume everything's supposed to be symmetrical.
And then,
that's your problem. You're brainwashed.
This is how they deliver the car to us. Can you believe that? What is that?
That one is a slight no-no. That's a slight no-no. And why is the car so dusty?
Because they didn't even want to wash the car for us like 3 months later after we got it.
Yeah,
so
they
like,
don't do daily washes.
Come on now.
Wow.
But honestly, guys, I will say, all jokes aside, the build quality, pretty solid. The exterior, like that kind of stuff's pretty normal. Like with any car, you're gonna have like little imperfections here and there. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied. Now let's get into the inside of the car and check out what's going on.
Fresh off a booking. Fresh off a booking. Don't judge the floor mats. So we gotta look over some build quality stuff on wheel.
Is it on right?
Yeah, seems good.
Think so?
You hear that? You hear that?
Oh,
it was the doors. It was the doors. Okay. Yeah, wheel looks good so far. Upper trim feels good. Was that carbon fiber?
yeah.
Yeah.
Does it come off?
It feels like carbon fiber. Does it come off? It didn't come off so far. I think
man.
if we wanted to chisel
They messed
it off,
up.
Yeah, this got to be a
What happened to quick release, man?
Yeah, that's weird. Because what if I need this in a hurry?
Exactly.
Okay, well that might be a problem. Screen.
It doesn't move?
Screen. Yeah, doesn't rattle, doesn't move. Let's talk about this leather. This fake leather. Leather, still fake.
I know it's fake.
Oh, see.
Were you there when they
very
killed the
well
cow?
traveled. No, I've killed lots of cows, and I can tell this is no cow. This is no cow meat.
Feels like a horse?
Yeah, this is maybe horse. Oh, you know you on those horses. Okay, door handles. Yeah, you can yank that thing as hard as you want. It's still gonna be a door handle, so that's pretty good. You hear that?
No.
Listen to this, and listen to this.
Bro, it's broken.
Yeah, so you see what I'm saying. That's.
It's a lemon.
You guys can't figure out what I'm trying to say by that. Like, that's
it's a lemon.
Guys. It's Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna get that lemon. We're just gonna rinse this out a little more, and then we're lemon on them.
What about the headliner? What do you think about it?
Oh, this bad boy?
Ooh, that glass is nice.
Oh yeah, let's talk about this glass. I'm pretty sure it's bulletproof. I haven't tested yet, but we're gonna test it out. Live body in here. Someone gets on top. You know the rest.
Do you think like 9mm or like a 45?
We'll start with 22 and just work our way up.
Okay.
All right, now headliner. First of all, notice the speaker right here. This speaker is fake, not real. It does not actually work. Look it up. In fact, get a Plaid and you can test for yourself. Now this liner right here. This is liner, okay? See this material? Liner material. So make sure yours, when you get it, has liner material. Otherwise, they gave you the wrong one. Another thing, airbag warning. I don't like this here. What
is it warning you of, though?
Yeah, exactly.
It wants you to fail.
Yeah, exactly. Like, don't even speak that stuff into existence, because it's just not wise to do. Anyone that has a Plaid would know that. It's fine. Lights.
Why does it make that sound when you press it?
I think because it's not a button. Oh no, it is a button. Guys, also look, if you keep your finger, show the finger, your finger will light up actually with it, which is pretty different. Not a lot of cars will have that feature.
So it causes cancer.
Yeah, but in a good way. Yeah, it's kind of like the puffs,
sure.
but for your finger.
Okay.
Anything else?
What about the seat? What about your seat? How does the seat feel?
All right. My butt is probably on the 3rd row back of these little lines. That's where the butt goes. So make sure you put yours there too. But honestly, seats, pretty cozy. Watch. See, I can literally just fall asleep on them. That's how cozy they are. This car is different. Pedals look good. They're silver. Boom. First compartment. Starburst. Nothing. Boom. Drink holder. Don't worry about the spills. Just got it back from a booking. Boom. What we got down here? Boom. Oh yeah. We can fit a full Canon M50 in this bad boy. I can't lie. That's a lot of space down there. And now, hey, we found the Usbc ports.
Oh, there's actually ports in there? Nice.
Yeah, they're in there.
What's the black square?
The black square?
Ooh, I think it's for a 12 volt.
Yeah, what's that about? Oh, wee. Okay, that's player. That's player. Elon, I saw your email. I hadn't responded yet. I'm going to email you back just to thank you for that. I did not know about this. Guys, look how easily this fits in here. Shucks, JC. Shucks, charge go.
Why don't you have any yellow Starburst?
Ooh, I saved them all for you.
Thanks.
In fact, nah, I'm gonna let you have this last one. Back screen is super
Back
juicy,
screen.
but I don't let people ride in the back seat of my car. Too dangerous unless I can point the gun back like that. So no one's gonna use that.
On some real stuff though, guys, the build quality is pretty solid. No rattles, right? Rattles?
Nope, no rattles unless you're talking about the snake friends I be having in here.
But then again, you spending $150,000, so the thing better ride pretty nice.
Yeah, it gotta be perfect, bro. I should be having a massage chair behind me, to be honest.
Hey, you got heated and cooled seats though.
Yes, man. The breathability of these seats, oh my goodness. I like when the air just travels like slightly up your butt, because like you just feel different. Like you
must do, that's why.
Nah, because you see someone in their little G-Wagon, you're like, oh yeah, that's cute, but you ain't got no smoke being blown up your butt or air.
Oh, what else?
You don't gotta come up with some new shit. Oh wait, one thing I actually do want to test. Oh, it does have it. The odor eliminator.
So does that mean like if we go to war with Russia or something, we'll be fine?
No, we're fine. If there's a nuke dropped and there's radiation, we just put this on. What's this mode called?
Biodefense mode.
Yeah, exactly. Biodefense mode. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Wow.
Well, thanks for tapping in, y'all.
Yeah. Thank you guys for tapping in. Yeah, that's about it. Later.